In this module, we are going to learn about reference models in computer networks. There are two models for references. Number one, the OSI reference model, and number two, the TCP/IP reference model. So first I'm going to talk about the OSI reference model. The process of communication between two endpoints in a network can be divided into 7 layers. These are the 7 layers of the OSI as described in the diagram. A reference model is a conceptual framework for understanding relationships. This is a reference model for how applications can communicate over a network. Main concept of a model is that process of communication between two endpoints in a network can be divided into 7 distinct groups of related functions or layers. When a message is sent from a device A to a device B, each layer adds some information to the message it receives from the previous layer and passes the whole package to the layer just below it. The 7 layers of function are provided by a combination of applications, operating systems, network cards, device drivers, and networking hardware that enable a system to put a signal on a network cable or out over Wi-Fi or other wireless protocol. Now let's learn about the features of OSI model. The big picture of communication over network is understandable through this OSI model. We see how the hardware and software work together. We can understand new technologies as they're developed. Troubleshooting is easier by separate networks and can be used to compare basic functional relationships on different networks. Now we are going to learn about the functions of each layer and how they work.